Looking for a simple way to boost your health? Ba Duan Jin, translated as 8 brocades, is a Shaolin practice that combines 8 flowing movements to strengthen your mind, body and soul. Today, I'll be guiding you through this exercise. Ba Duan Jin was originally developed in the Shaolin temples and was used by monks for its physical conditioning and internal cultivation. But today, people from all walks of life use it for flexibility, energy cultivation and its health benefits. Let's begin with the 2 hands hold up the heavens. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Bring your hands together above your head as if holding up the sky. Stretch gently upward, elongating your spine. And as you exhale, move onto one of your sides and gently stretch. Breathe in as you come back to the center and breathe out as you go onto your side. Once you are in the rhythm, imagine the vast sky above you. Feel its expansive energy filling your being and releasing stress and creating lightness within. This movement harmonizes the triple warmer meridian, restoring balance to your body and mind. Now we move into the drawing the bow and letting the arrow fly. Step into a wide stance with your knees slightly bent. As you inhale, bring your hands to the center of your chest, one arm forming a fist and the other wrapping around it. As you exhale, step to your side and extend one arm as if drawing a bowstring while the other arm points straight ahead. Hold briefly, then return to the center. Repeat onto the other side. Imagine yourself as strong and steady as a mountain, aiming for clarity and purpose. This movement strengthens your lungs and opens your chest, allowing fresh energy to circulate through your body. Next is separating heaven and earth. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. As you inhale, raise one hand upward with your palm facing the sky, while the other presses downward with your palm towards the earth. Stretch gently in opposite directions. As you exhale, bring your hands back to the center and switch sides. Breathe deeply and visualize yourself connecting to the energy of the earth and the heavens, harmonizing them within your body. This movement supports digestion and helps balance the stomach and spleen meridians. Let's move into wise owl gazes backward. Stand with your feet rooted and your arms relaxed by your sides. As you inhale, gently turn your head and upper body to look over one shoulder. As you exhale, return to the center. Repeat on the other side. Breathe in deeply as you twist and breathe out slowly as you return. Allow your neck and spine to move freely. Imagine releasing old patterns and welcoming fresh perspectives. This movement is excellent for clearing tension in your neck and shoulders and improving your spinal flexibility. Now we will practice swaying the head and shaking the tail. Start in a wide stance with your hands resting on your thighs. As you exhale, shift your weight to one side, letting your torso rotate slightly, and as you lower your head and round your back. As you inhale, return to the center. Repeat on the other side, moving gently like a wave. Visualize releasing all stress and tension as you sway. This movement helps detoxify the body, clears heat from your heart, and promotes emotional balance. Next is two hands hold the feet. As you exhale, hinge forward from your hips and let your hands gently reach towards your feet. As you inhale, slowly roll back up to a standing position. Keep your knees soft and your back relaxed. Breathe deeply and visualize yourself grounding with the earth's energy. This movement strengthens your kidney, enhances flexibility, and grounds your energy. Let's move to clench fist and glare fiercely. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, fist resting at your hips. As you exhale, extend one fist straight forward with focus and intention, as if punching through an obstacle. As you inhale, draw your fist back and repeat on the other side. Feel your inner strength rise with each punch, clearing any mental fog or distractions. This movement builds confidence and strengthens the liver, enhancing decisiveness and power. We'll finish with bouncing on the toes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and arms relaxed. As you inhale, lift your heels off the ground, balancing on your toes. As you exhale, gently drop your heels back down. Repeat this motion rhythmically. Feel the vibrations as you land, allowing them to awaken every cell in your body. Imagine this movement shaking off stagnant energy and revitalizing your entire system. This is a wonderful exercise for stimulating circulation and grounding your energy. The routine is so easy to learn, but it takes time to embody it. I encourage you to practice it on a daily basis.